Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making a fish fry at home. I got this recipe from Smoking and Grilling with AB here on YouTube, and I thought it was interesting that he did a wet batter for his fish, so I wanted to try it out. As you can see, I'm whisking 2 eggs, and then I'm going to add a half a cup of hot sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's hot sauce, and this is my first time using this. I didn't even know they had hot sauce, but you can use your favorite hot sauce if you want. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of mustard, and then you want to go ahead and add your seasoning. So if you're going to use already seasoned cornmeal, then I would advise you not to season it too heavily in the wet batter. Yeah, I made that mistake, so don't make the same mistake I did, okay? So now you just want to drop your fish into your wet batter and let that sit and marinate until we get everything else prepped and ready. Again, I am using pre-seasoned cornmeal. I am using the Zatarain's brand, and I'm just going to add some cornstarch to my cornmeal, but feel free to use regular cornmeal without the seasoning. It's totally up to you. So this is where I messed up. I was adding seasoning to my pre-seasoned cornmeal, so it was a little salty, but it's okay. Don't add any more seasoning to that pre-seasoned cornmeal if you use it. So this part is just like frying chicken. You want to take your fish out of that wet batter, toss it in your cornmeal, and you want to press your cornmeal into the fish so it can be nice and crispy, okay? Now that your fish is all tossed in your cornmeal, now you can start frying it. Now that you're finished frying your fish, you can pair it with some fries, some hush puppies, and just dig in, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.